Hello students, this is Sangeeta, your art and craft teacher. Very good morning to all of you. See, as you can see on my screen, a beautiful picture of beach, right? So, आप लोग को समझ ही आ गया होगा that we going to make the beach scene today. You guys gonna love it because probably this is the first time we are going to make full scene of beach. I am using crayons. ठीक है, I'll show you how to color these and how to draw this in simple way. So draw along with me. For this you need your sketchbook, pencil eraser, black sketch pen and crayons. Bring the stuff, then we'll start the video. Okay? So as I said that we will make beach scene today. So for that you need to divide your page into 3 parts. Okay? One part will be your sky, then water and land. So here you can draw one line, okay? So this is your sky first, this is your water and land. So this you can make like this, okay? Need not to make it straight, you can make it bit curvy. So this is your sea water, you can say 2, and then third is land. So do this first. You need to make these 3 lines: sky, water and land. Done? I hope it's done. So now what you can add for your sky? Here you can add one sun. So for the sun you need to make semicircle, this much only, okay? Nothing else, this much only you need to draw for your sun. Clouds के लिए what you can do? You can make cloud. So see, I'll tell you easy wala. 1, you need to make ulta C. 2, 3, and you can join it this way. 4. Okay, one more you want here, big one we can make. This way. If you find it hard, what you can do? We have one cloud like this also. ठीक है? You can make the clouds this way. So this is how you can make your clouds. Draw the clouds and the sun. Done. Now we can add birds. ठीक है? We can add birds in the sky. So to make bird you need to make V. V for violet, right? So we need to make V shape and one small this. So this is how you can make your थोड़ा थोड़ा सा. What you can do if you want, इस तरीके से you can make your V and then this. So for the birds you can make this. Draw the birds. So till now we have divided our page into sky, water and land. Then I drew sun, semicircle. For sun you can use. Then clouds. We added clouds and last में we added birds. If you want, you can add waves like this for water. This is how you can add waves. It's easy, you can easily make it, okay? Just draw along with me and you will find it really easy to draw. I won't show you anything hard. Draw. Done? Okay, so one last thing that is optional, okay? You can make it, and if you don't want to, you can leave that also. This much is fine, but if you can draw this, so try to make this as well. I'll be showing you one tree here, that is coconut tree. We find coconut trees on the beach. You all must have gone to beach. There you find coconut trees, right? So I'll show you one easy coconut tree. I'll try to make it easy for you. So one line, two line. You can make lines like this. Draw these lines, thick from bottom and thin from up, and you need to join them. You need to draw along with me. It will be really easy if you draw along with me. I am repeating again and again. To make coconut tree, you need to draw these lines. They should be thick from the bottom and should be thin when you go up. I guess it's done. Now, see. You must have seen fountain. तो fountain का इस तरीके से होता है ना, falling होता है fountain का shape इस तरीके से. So I'll do from here. I'll start from the middle. यहाँ से you need to start. You need to make one. Draw this one. Draw this one. This curvy. Then similarly I'll make here 2, 3 and 4, and if you want one more, 5. This much is enough. Okay, draw this. Done. Now you can add these lines for your coconut tree. This is how you can add lines for your coconut tree. And here you can make these lines. Just lines, okay? I am not going for the detailing of our coconut tree. I have made it simple. So you can do this much only. So this is how our beach scene drawing is complete. Okay. So the drawing part is completed. We need to do the color. I'll show you color now. So as I said that we will start coloring. Here I am using Dome's wax crayons. Okay. So I'll be showing you how to do with crayons. So as we started our drawing, we started from up to down. Here as well, I'll start from my sky only. So see what you can do. As you can see, I have some shades here, like dark blue and light blue. So this can be dark blue for outlining our clouds and light blue to fill inside. Okay. As we have these three colors, red, orange and yellow. So either you can use red orange and red yellow या फिर orange yellow for your sky. Oh sorry, sun. Okay. So I'll start with our clouds first. So what you have to do, as we did in the last video with pencil colors, what I did outline with dark color. Okay, so here as well I have taken my dark blue to outline it. You need to give thick outline. Just make sure you give thick outline. Right? This way you can outline. I have one more here, so I will outline for this as well. So the outlining part is done. It looks nice, right? Whenever you do outline and coloring, it looks really good. So I suggest always whatever medium you're using, either you're using crayons or pencil colors, sketch pen, try to do the outline first and then color it. So now with the light blue color, I will fill inside and make sure that you do in the same direction. Do not change your direction while coloring. And yes, always, last time also I mentioned that sky and water and the land as well, they are in the sleeping direction only. Whenever you color them, you need to color them in sleeping direction. Okay, you cannot color them like this. Sky, water and land, three of them should be colored in sleeping way. So this is how we are done with our clouds. Okay. Now as I said, that we can use shades from this for our sun. So you have option like dark red, so you can outline, and orange, so you can fill. Okay, otherwise you can outline with your red color and or yellow you can fill. Okay, so I am using my red and yellow. Here I am doing outline with my red color for my sun. Now I will fill it with yellow. And if you if you can see any white space, you can fill. See, I was able to see white spaces here, so I filled it with my yellow itself. Now, see, I can see white space here, so you can fill it. You can take your light blue color, or we have one grey color also. So it's up to you which color you want. I'm taking my light blue only, and I'll fill it with light blue lightly. That too not really dark, I'll be doing it lightly. You need to fill it lightly. Okay, I'm not making it dark. Do it really light and sleeping direction, and one more thing, in one direction only. I'm not changing my direction, right? Same way, you don't have to change your direction in between. See, I have colored it really light. Okay, because anyway I have to color this blue my sea. So to make it look bit different, I have colored it really light. Now similarly, as we did clouds, I'll do my water as also. So outlining, wherever I have to do outline now, I'll do with my dark color. See, there was a line, so I'm doing with my dark color. And you can do for your waves also. For the waves also you can do like this. You can give outline for your waves and make sure that you give the thick outline. That looks really good. Okay, sorry, actually I did not stop for you. I did continue doing this. So I am waiting. You can just do this much. I'll wait for 2 minutes. Then I'll do my water. So what you have to do, you have to start with your clouds, do outlining with dark blue and light blue inside. All the clouds like this only. I hope the clouds are done. If your clouds are done, then you need to do your sun. So I have taken red color to outline and yellow color to fill inside. Done? Now with the light blue color you can color your sky, and that too really light, not dark. See, as you can see, I am doing it really light. I don't do dark colors, I do really light. So the same way you can. See, what is the criteria behind doing light color? See, if I make my sky dark, so there was no point to make our clouds like this. Now because the background is light, so they are popping out, right? ऐसा अच्छा दिख रहा है, they are looking really bright. अगर यही dark होता तो ये अच्छा नहीं दिखता. Secondly, further I'll be showing you how to do shading as well. ठीक है? So अभी से आपकी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी, बिकॉज शेडिंग तभी होगा व्हेन यू गिव द बेस रियली लाइट. व्हेन वी आर व्हेन वी डू द कलर शेडिंग, सो आवर बेस शुड बी लाइट. इसलिए अभी से I want that you guys practice light coloring. I hope this much is done. Now for the sea, you can take dark blue color to outline whatever we have. Like we have on this line, waves we have. So everything you can outline with your dark blue color. Okay, now I have taken again my light blue color and I fill it. Thoda sa what I'll do bit dark. Here for the sky I have done really light, but for water to make it look thoda different, because we are using the same shade na, तो थोड़ा सा different दिखे, इसलिए I am using my I am doing bit darker than this. You will be able to see the difference abhi. I'll show. And yes, you will be thinking कि ma'am is doing on top of our coconut tree. So don't worry about that. As I am doing, you can do. Okay, you can follow the same. Don't bother about this. I am leaving the trunk. I am not doing on the trunk. थोड़ा बहुत अंदर जा रहा है तो don't worry. See the difference between both. The sky is light and the water is dark. If the color is going in your coconut tree trunk, so you can give outline like this first. Now you can color. So as you can see, I am doing in small patches. So the same way you can also do. See how beautiful it is looking. The sky and the water. I'll quickly come to my land. See, I'll be taking dark brown for outline and this peach color we can say for outline. So see, the same shade we can use for our trunk also. So I'll do my land as well as trunk. So here I'll do outline with my dark brown color. So as I said, I'll do my land and tree together, because the same shade I'll use for land and tree. So I'll do them together only. Okay. I have given the thick outline for my land. So as I said, I'll fill with light color. So if you want, you can outline it this as well. And you can color it together like this. Done. Okay. Now we have just one thing left, the leaves of our coconut tree. So you have two options, beta. What you can do, you can take your green sketch pen and you can do outline on it, okay, with the dark green sketch pen. And another one we have, I'm taking my dark green crayon only and I'll do like this. With a crayon also you can do, or with your sketch pen also you can do. So whatever you want to. As you can see, I have given thick outline. So you can also give thick outline. Done. Here I have grass also, so for that also you can do like this only. See, isn't it look beautiful? So guys, you need to do it this way. Okay, this gonna be the great experience for you, because this will be the first time you doing a full scenery like this. So enjoy doing this. Okay students, I'll take the leave now. Bye bye, take care. Jai Swaminarayan.